Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm having to video this again because I realised I didn't have my mic on. So what it is this is the Lookfantastic Around the World beauty box, and this is like you can get it for 1 month or a 3 month or a 6 month or a 12-month one, whichever one you want. It is £13 a month. So this is the front of it, the top of it, and it just has a lovely quote on the box. It says, "Travel makes us all storytellers." Well, it does, yes it does, because once you've been on a holiday or you've travelled somewhere, you always have a nice story to come home to and tell your folks or something like that. I think it really is quite nice. Right, okay, so that is that. And you also get a Ocado coupon, which is 30% off for you, free deliveries for 3 months, or for a friend you can have 30% off your first grocery shop plus free deliveries for 3 months. So, and you just use, I will actually show you it there. It's going to go a bit dark, but probably as you get the code, or I will add it in the description box down below, so you can go ahead and use any of my coupons that I put in the description box down below, because you may as well get the money off. So that is it, and yeah, so every little bit helps, every little bit helps. Right, so then the next one is, if you use them, contact lenses. I don't use them, but there is people out there that do, and there is the coupon code there, which is trial 44. The company is it going to give me them? Vision Direct. So if you use Vision Direct or you like Vision Direct, you may as well use this coupon. So yeah, and you will get 2 free trial packs of Everclear ADM, which is worth £3.98. Again, every bit helps. So there we go. And then in this month's box, in the Lookfantastic, you always get a magazine. Now, I do not read them, but they're handy for like if you're going on a train, car ride, or you're just waiting in the doctor's surgery. So, and the value of this book is £4.50, and always check through it because there's always samples of like stuff in there. I've just maybe come across one, I don't know. No, I didn't, but there is some samples. Usually you get like perfume in there or other stuff, so it's always worthwhile a quick run through and make sure you get your samples out of that. Right, so this month I wasn't going to order the Lookfantastic until I saw some unboxings, and it's because of one item in here that I really do like. So, and it's amazing, the item. Right, so as you'll see, I've opened them up. So this is the KORRES Pure Olive Greek soap. This one is like, it's £5, and I did have the information on it there. Sorry, I just dropped this little book. You also get one of these in there, and it lets you know how to use the products, which I find really good, because you don't need to know how to use soap, but you will on like a face mask and stuff like that. Right, so, and it says there is a sneak peek for next month. If you don't want to see it, look away. But the sneak peek for next month is the LMS, is that one. Right, okay, so we will get into this. So this has a gorgeous scent to it. Oh, wow, it smells like if you were on a holiday to Greece. I don't know what Greece smells like, but oh my god, it reminds me of when I was a child and my mother used to have this soap, and she used to get it from Spain, and it just had a gorgeous scent to it. But there it is. So this is the KORRES Natural Pure Greek Soap. It's calamine, pomegranate, olive oil, blossom, and I could just imagine using that in the bath, and you like unwind with it, and it's just going to be absolutely amazing. So yeah, so I'm looking forward to using that. I like it. that one a lot. So well done. That's like a win-win situation there. So then the next item, what we got is, this one is the peeling mask by ECOOKS, and I will get you the information on this somewhere. It's a, so what it says is about this one is, if it's going to focus for me, be nice to me camera today. So this one is a peeling mask. This is worth £11.10, and it says maintain skin's youthful appearance with the peeling mask from Danish skincare brand ECOOKING, utilising AHA, including lactic and salicylic and glycolic acid. This mask buffs away dead skin cells to reveal a radiant, glowing complexion. That just had to cough. This is 100% vegan, and you will see results in under 10 minutes. Wow. So okay, for this I will actually just apply it to my wrist, which will do a skin test as well. Because this is like a no panic, it says if it turns red, it works and it moisturizes as a mask, moisturizes afterwards. Okay, so I'm not going to apply it to my face because I don't want it to go red. So it looks like that inside. And now I'm just going to apply it to my wrist. It says that you should get a tingling sensation, and I'm not getting a tingling sensation yet with that. Right, okay, so that is that. And then the next item we've got in this box is the SVR. Now this is an eye cream, and it's like a sensitive eye cream. It says calm and soothe sensitive and itchy eyes with a gentle treatment for dry, easily irritated skin. With clinically proven effectiveness, this French eye cream delivers 24-hour hydration immediately, relieving the discomfort created to soothe, reduce redness. Sorry for that, I just had to cough, but there it is. Right, okay, so let's just try it. So I would also suppose that this is going to get rid of all of your fine lines and depuff your eyes. Right, oh, it's a little tricky to open. Right, so it has like a cooling sensation as soon as it hits the skin, and it's really like a nice moisturizing, slightly a little bit sticky, but that's fine. So okay, so I'm happy with that. If I get rid of my eye bags, I don't know if you'll see them, but I do get them now and again. Right, so that is worth £15. And then the next item is this one, and it's like super small, but there it is. So this one is the BioEffect EGF serum for improved appearance of skin. So it says give skin a new lease of life with this serum from groundbreaking Icelandic brand BioEffect, using a plant-based replica of EGF. It's a natural occurring human protein. The serum acts as an anti-aging treatment by reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, whilst boosting radiance. Quick absorbent, this serum deeply moisturizes and rehydrates. It's 100% vegan. This mask delivers results in under 10 minutes, and it is worth £25. So, okay, so let's just try a bit of it on the top there of my forehead, and I will just pat it in. I don't know where you'll be able to see it working. So it says it delivers results in 10 minutes. We will have to see. I don't know if it's going to work. You never know. Right, okay, so that is what? That little bottle is worth £25. Oh Christ. Wow, that is expensive. So, okay, a little goes a long way, it says. Right, so I put quite a bit on there, actually. Well, that is that. Right, okay, so then the next item we're going to go on about which will you receive. Oh, you could have actually, with this, I received the Bumble and Bumble Surf Spray, but you could have actually got the thickening spray as well. So there we go. And this one is £2.40, and it's a surf spray. It lightly spritz into damp hair, allowing hair to air dry for big bouncy finish. Big bouncy beach finish. Right, okay, so let's just try it. And oh, it smells really alcohol-y, and that side too. So it's really an alcohol one, but it's supposed to give you like waves, isn't it? Beach spray. This is editor's tips. Use the salt spray on day 2 of hair, so it adds texture with plenty of volume. So, and you're supposed to use it on into the roots, not onto the ends like I've just done. So I was only just like trying to give you the scent of it, really. And then the next item is the one that I wanted. It is this one, which is the FILORGA one. It's not the mask. I usually like the FILORGA mask. This is the Lift Structure Cream. So what it's going to do is like probably give you a little lift. It just says apply in the morning, massage into the face and décolletage, which is your neck. Right, okay, so we will just open this up like that. It looks a little bit like that. And then we're just going to pop it underneath there like so. So there we go, and that is on. I don't feel it working or doing anything like that. Right, but there again, it does take a while for these things to get to work. So that is like £9.10. I knew that that was going to be expensive because it's super expensive stuff. So this is the end of my unboxing. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up, like, share, please subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you all in my next video.